Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Thursday, August 10, 2023. Rick's been at it. And as you can see, we are making some real progress on putting the new bottom on our 1937 20-foot Lyman Runabout. Rick, why don't you step in there and give us kind of an update on what looks like
Well, I've got it all tied back into the front. Now I'm working my way back, and I'll be tying the next one into here, and then I'm going to be tying the next one after that back here. Then this last board I'm going to have to come back to about here. It's going to overlap, and that'll finish that side up. And as you can see underneath, it's coming right along pretty good.
Yeah, we've got starboard pretty much ready to begin fairing, and we'll use 3M 5200, we'll use 3M premium marine filler, not 5200, never 5200. Remember, 5200 is an adhesive. It's not a sealant. It's not a fairing compound. Use 3M premium marine filler, and we'll fill all of these countersinks, sand them fair, and then seal with multiple coats of Smith's clear penetrating epoxy sealer, and she'll be ready for priming and some bottom paint. But she looks really strong and uniform all the way back. So Rick has become our master Lapstrake bottom replacer, fabricator. So if you've got a Lapstrake needing a bottom, send it to Snake Mountain Boat Works and you'll get the same result. So that's our update on our 1937 Lyman 20-foot runabout. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.